Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. This is one of my easy recipes that I'm making today. It's healthy banana oats muffins. It's very easy. So without much ado, let's get started. I have some oats here. I've blended them, so it's like oats flour. Okay, you just blend your rolled oats and then you get oats flour. There's no need to buy them. Okay, and then I have some cinnamon, some salt, some baking soda and baking powder. Add them to it and then you mix them. Okay, just want to mix them so that they're evenly distributed. Okay, so you set this aside. Right, so guys, for the wet ingredients, I have 3 bananas here, so I'll mash them. So guys, I've already mashed the banana, so what I need to add to this is some coconut oil. I'll put all the measurement down below, and I have 2 eggs. Okay, and I have some honey. And I'll add just a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Right, so you mix it up. You see how easy and quick it is. Very healthy. So I need to add my flour. This is the dry ingredients. Bit by bit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this into 2 because I'm doing half of it raisins and half of it chocolate chips. So I'll just separate it, the 2 portions, and I'll add those to it. Right guys, so I've divided it into 2 and I'm putting some raisins in this one. And I'm going to put that my tray. It's already been greased. I'm going to put that in my tray, the other half of my tray. So guys, as with the raisins, I put some on top, so I'm putting some chocolate on top of the muffins. So guys, the oven is preheated at 200 degrees Celsius, so we are going to put that in for about between 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so guys, our muffin done. As you can see, it's really nice and smells really good. Okay, all right, it's nice, it's moist, and it's delicious, and it's very healthy. Okay, so do try this recipe. And if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and put on your post notification when you subscribe to my channel, so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. Bye.